your new room. Oh my God. Oh man. What's going on, guys? It's UrAvgConsumer, and today we are back in Brooklyn because we're going to be checking out an entirely new bedroom. Now, the reason why we chose this location is because it is a bit dated. It isn't quite as modern as some of the rooms that you guys have seen on the channel so far. And we figured not a lot of people have really modern rooms anyway, so we figured this could be a great way to show you guys some awesome tips. But of course, first we had to let the owner of the space, Ari's cousin Michael, know that we were going to be doing this and give him a heads up. And he's a hardworking guy with 2 kids, and him and his wife share the space with the kids, so we figured we'd make it a nice getaway even after he gets out of work.
Hey, Mike.
We do a video where we take a room in our house and we put a bunch of tech in it, light it up. And I'm thinking we're gonna do that to you. Yeah, man, we got some dope stuff.
They coming tomorrow to tech this whole out.
Tech? What do you mean?
Technology, it's gonna be crazy in here.
And after a solid day's work of moving a few things around and adding a few lights, this is the end result. So the first thing we had to do was upgrade their TV to something in the 65-inch realm. So we hooked them up with this Hisense H9 Plus 4K ULED TV. And shout out to Hisense for sponsoring today's video and making this whole idea come together. With this TV, they'll be able to watch 4K HDR content thanks to the wide color gamut it offers, and it supports 4K upscaling for regular HD content. And of course, it's a smart TV with access to apps from a ton of streaming services, and even the remote has dedicated buttons for apps, so when he needs to throw on my videos, that YouTube button is right there. And this TV actually has a 120Hz panel with ultra smooth motion 480, so watching sports will be great as well as gaming. And this is actually a pretty great TV if you're looking for something with all the latest features on a TV without breaking the bank. And if you want to check it out, I have links down below to it and everything else mentioned in this video down below in the description. And we've got the TV mounted onto this TV stand we found in Walmart. It provides a built-in stand to mount the TV, as well as 3 shelves to place things like your consoles, cable box. And I actually like this stand a lot more than I thought I would when I first picked it up, because it made hiding the cables a cinch and it felt pretty durable. As for what we packed on the stand, Michael's pretty big on Xbox, so we had to upgrade his original Xbox One to the Xbox One S. And we even added a PowerA charging stand so he could charge his controller once he's done playing and have a nice place to put it. And he also needed a pretty good gaming headset to play with his Xbox, so we got him the Hyperx Cloud X. Tons of comfort, great sound, and a great price made this an easy choice. And since he hasn't cut the cord yet, he's still got his cable box up here as well. But in front of that, we've got this Onkyo Dolby Atmos soundbar. I'm gonna be real with you guys. I wanted this because it seemed like a nice entry-level soundbar with Dolby Atmos, which is a great feature. But after going through the setup process and actually trying to use it, I honestly don't recommend it. It was pretty confusing and I just didn't like the whole process. So we do plan to swap this one out, but I'll include some options that I personally enjoyed down below in the description. And it wouldn't be enough to just upgrade the TV area, so we had to make this place smart with a Google Home to control all the various lights that we added to the room, as well as answer any of their questions or music requests. And if you guys are wondering what lights we went with, these are all from LifeX. We used their bulbs in these Walmart lamps that we got on the sides of the TV and the side table lamps near the bed. The lamps can now change color at a whim, and they're completely controllable with Google Home through voice commands, which is something I really wanted them on board with. And to help with the decorative look of the lamps, we also added small fake plants and salt rock lamps, as they're actually very good looking, as well as functional to help those who suffer from asthma symptoms, which one of the babies has. And the side tables also have these sleep therapy speakers by iHome that plays white noise or relaxing sounds while having an array of lighting options and even functions as a Bluetooth speaker. But back to the TV stand, we've got one last thing, and that's the Google Wi-Fi router, which is actually really useful in apartments like these that tend to have thick walls. We also added this small desk from IKEA for a dedicated workspace because as a techie, you know I gotta have a desk in there somewhere. But we threw in a laptop on top of this small laptop stand to give it some extra height, and since this is an area for work, we even got the kids this Leapfrog Ultimate Pad, which is great for learning and is built to withstand drops and damage that you know is gonna happen. And we even added a Nest outdoor camera and mounted it onto his wall so it could act as a baby monitor, so whenever they're out the room, they can check on the crib and see what's going on right from their smartphone. And to add a bit to the aesthetics, we of course had to throw in a light strip in the back, and we even added a digital picture frame, which was actually his wife's favorite piece of tech in the entire apartment.
Oh my God. Oh man. I love this stand. I like the curtains. You guys gave me a computer desk.
Yeah, man, so you should be pretty set up.
It's beautiful. It's
This
beautiful.
is crazy.
Turn all the lights purple.
Yo, that's
Oh,
crazy.
Oh, man.
Oh, no, I'm so thankful.
No, for
Yeah,
real.
no problem, man. You want me to say
Oh,
thank you?
Yeah, you guys have the kids, you guys work hard, so have something nice to come home to.
Yeah.
All in all, we think it came together pretty well, and the family seems stoked about the changes. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and got some good ideas on how to tech out your own space and make it work for you. And if you enjoyed it, be the cool guy or girl that gives this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.